Changing the language in the Pandora app can enhance your listening experience. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings. Step 1. Open the Pandora app. Launch the Pandora app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the profile icon or the settings gear icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the app settings menu. Step 3. Find language options. Scroll through the settings menu until you find the language option. This may be under a section labeled Account or Preferences. Step 4. Select your preferred language. Tap on the language option to see a list of available languages. Choose your preferred language from the list. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your desired language, make sure to save the changes if prompted. The app may refresh or restart to apply the new language settings. Now you can enjoy Pandora in your preferred language. If you have any issues, consider checking the app's help section for further assistance.